Hi. So there is some synchronization problem with the PC. So I try to go live from the PC, but it does not happen. So I'm going live from my mobile. So that is the 6-1 is not 6 like that. 7:31 or 32, 33, even 7:30 plus 1 second is not 7:30 according to my guru. So sorry for that. So from next time I'm just synchronizing in my page also, whether I can share it in my timeline. That is what is happening side by side. A warm welcome to Let's Sell Successfully Sales School. So why not? Sales also is a very good teaching process. It has got manuals, and only difference is all the time you have to be practical. There is a lot of practical exams than the theory based exams, and like mathematics, all the time the solution will not be the same for every sales professional, except for strategy figures. If it is 22 closures, it will be 22 closures for the whole team, but it may not happen in the particular fashion. Like you will have so many permutation and combinations before you arrive at that answer of 32 or 22 targets. That is how sales goes. And let me find out whether I can share this into my profile. Okay. Today someone wanted me to talk on consistency, okay, and discipline. So definitely I'm going to address the topic in general. Then I'm going to come out for this. Let me check out where it is getting live. How many of you are watching? I don't know, because without a considerable audience, going live is not going to fetch any results. So this time I'm pretty much confident, and I'm adamant to go for this. This is a sales school. So here we are going to sell smart, strategic, spontaneous and sensible, right? So why the name is derived, I will just tell you now. And most importantly, when you go to sales, not only in official platforms, in all other platforms, you will be upfront thrown to challenges, and so you have to face everything, and so many things are there. So let's come back to all of that one by one. And first I will share with you why did I choose this particular name. Okay, so it was first Let's Sell Successfully, then in Tamil it was Vaanga Sales Pesalam. So now it has been derived as Let's Sell Successfully Sales School. Okay, so I have a new logo which I need a blessing from all of you. I have captioned as Let's Sell Successfully Sales School, sell smart, spontaneous, strategic and sensible. Kindly excuse me for today. I'm going to take more time, not 10 minutes alone. So starting from the coming Sunday to Thursday, 7:30 to 7:40 p.m. local time, please stay tuned with me in the sales school. In my sales school, Let's Sell Successfully, we are going to learn more sales equally with each other. It's not that I know everything. My managers taught me, the field sales taught me, the experiences taught me, and my passion taught me, which I'm going to share with you all, and you're going to teach me how to take this further, right? So I have watched it, just posted it in my timeline also, so that others can have a look at it. Let me close my PC camera. Then as shared yesterday, I'm Mrs. Priya Mahesh with you for Let's Sell Successfully. Indeed, nowadays, there is a caption before an introduction. So I think my friends list people doesn't know the introduction from my side. So I started in full Josh Coffee Meeting Corporate Strategy Season 1, and Corona took me into another level. So I started preparing the strategic coffee at my home backdrops, and then there were some personal lifestyle challenges. So many things we need to cross, right? So now we are upfront sitting before you all to open my sales school titled Let's Sell Successfully, to sell smart, strategic, spontaneous, sensible. The hierarchy reads sell smart, spontaneous, strategic, sensible. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for that 1, 2, 3, 4, one of my spiritual friends, there is a request from one of my person who's a well-wisher of mine to speak on discipline and consistency in sales. If there is no discipline and no consistency in practice from my side, I could not have sat before you speaking on Let's Sell Successfully Sales School. I could have gone to areas where every time it will fetch money to me, every time it may fetch fame to me, I go and pick here and there the seashells. So I don't want to go like that. I want to dive into that particular beach to collect that particular seashell in that particular area, in particular time, in the particular pattern. That is what we mean by discipline in sales platforms. And then consistency is, once, as I told, you enter the sales circle, the consistency, the first blow will be all your missing things will be spot noted here and there, and there will be people who try to find faults in you, that you are not in your professional attire, you do not have a good communication or command over English, your pricing is not proper. There is one super smarty manager. I did not get introduced to him as Let's Sell Successfully. I got introduced to him that I want to sell his products. So he overpowered me in front of a fresher who just joined selling platforms, and he wanted me to go for pricing of one of his products in a prestigious mall, and I was cornered to the maximum. So if I am the opposite person, which I'm compared and I'm cornered, if I behave like her, crying like a KG student, then that consistency is zero for me. Because as a successful sales professional, first what I thought I learned is, I went into NIT software to learn software management or software programming rather. In that, one of the pivotal part is speaking. And explaining your projects to the clients, and there were mind room in the computers which will be hanging here and there. I was in my simple sandals with a salwar, and when I went inside the NIT platforms, people looked at me like I'm from somewhere an external community, or a person who's come there to just deliver a food or a slipper or whatever it is. So delivering food is also one of sales, for if please kindly make a note of it. So consistency is, from there the critics stones started throwing at me, and I started picking one by one, and I started building a nice construction marvel. So in that pick you may get wounded, and your spare parts may get deiterated, and spare parts means your personality, your confidence level, and the so-called consistency, the passion and the idea, and to grin and bear all the critics and rule over it. And you may not have supporters, you may not have smart moms, you may not have smart managers. As I told, Varghese was the toughest manager ever available to me when I started selling, because every point he will criticize, every act he will criticize, even opening a PC and maintaining the desktop icons, we need to get it from him. But that get it from him has got me into Let's Sell Successfully Sales School to learn and teach sales. I am going to learn from you all, and I am going to teach sales also to you all. It is like mutual sharing of each other. This is what they mean by consistency. And tomorrow definitely we are going to speak complete consistency in coaching. So that is the complete technical topic. Before edging into the technical topic, I want to make an intro on my start. So this I'm not going to end. I have lost 2 of my Facebook pages on Let's Sell Successfully and Let's Sell, etc., etc. But the contents remain completely coded into my YouTube channel, Let's Sell Successfully. I will please share the link below. But YouTube channel, I can go live only after reaching certain number of views and maximum number of subscribers. But Facebook page, I can go live every day. So that is why I chose to go live in the Facebook page. I will share the link in my Facebook timeline, in my tweet account, in my YouTube channel underneath the video, Let's Sell Successfully, and also my kitchen aspiration. And also I will tweet and I will also make a note in the Insta page. Kindly do tune in, and you will be getting the clues for a simple selling of a kitchen item to corporate selling of a bank product, or diamond jewelry, or shares, or a building, or whatever, flat and executive resorts, so many other things lined up. So it is, as I told you, that is what is discipline and consistency. Discipline is, I am going to only maintain this profession of selling, even though I am my passionate cook. Okay, I run a kitchen channel, I am a mom, I am a wife, etc, 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 but basically professionally I am a salesperson. There is no change in that. Okay, so the goals can be set, but the goals set should not bother the other side also. It should benefit you, and also it should benefit the other person. Every time goal setting and throwing at the pavilion only by hurting others is not going to make you a good successful manager, even though you crossed a number of years into selling and marketing platforms. When you throw the goal, that goal should please create a platform for the thrower and the place where it is thrown. Okay, that means you should be a person who creates leaders instead of being the leader for more number of years. As simple as that. When you create leaders, your level rises up, your personality rises up, you are consistent to meet the people's personality, because one executive and the other executive are not one and the same, but the 22 closures are one and the same. If you take any of the minimum priced products in the market, this is what I try to tell you. So today, unofficially or officially, or a small intro, I introduced to my sales school, Let's Sell Successfully Sales School, where we are going to sell smart, spontaneous, strategic, sensible. Kindly stay connected. It's 7:48 local time and 7:50, 9:20 p.m. in India. So elsewhere you can connect, because if I started telling, then I'll become a news reader. I'm not a sales reader. Then you will. I'm a sales reader basically. So if I start reading the GMT meridian time, then I automatically become a weather reporter. I don't want to report weather. I want to report sales strategies rather, which is learnt from the market HS, which is learnt from the career fittings, which is learnt from lot of failures, which is learnt from leading managers, from successful managers. Again and again, for that consistency and discipline, you have to understand your reporting manager. You have to understand your opposing manager. That is the clue. If you get a hats off from an opposing manager, if not in the start, but during the journey or the end of the journey, then you are a very good salesperson according to me. Because if, according to my experiences, your opposing team, your competitor team knows your strength and also your weakness better than your own reporting manager. Just to try, you will not fail this. That's why leading banks know, they only during hiring time, they call the other bank reporting manager to sit in the panel. So those freshers who are coming will assume that he is for that bank. But one more comedy is, you will apply here and will also apply to the other bank. So both the managers in the GCC are very well connected. The moment they receive the application, they will call and tell, is this guy has applied to you on the walk-in, which is reported last week from the Gulf News. So this is what is meaning by consistency and discipline. Kindly maintain a discipline, a value. Do not sell yourself cheap for petty things. Even though a salary figure is just 5,500, the other place it is 6,000. For that 500 dirhams, please don't lose your dignity. That is what I learned, I practice as a sales professional. So preach what you practice is complete the discipline for sales platforms. See you again tomorrow by local time 7:30 to 7:40 p.m. I started by 7:32 and I'm ending by 7:50. So this is an intro of Let's Sell Successfully Sales School from Priya Mahesh to sell smart, spontaneous, strategic, sensible. I love to see more and more sales professionals watching my video, more and more sales professionals, marketing professionals, learners, normal traders getting benefit benefited from my simple to corporate strategies, kindly have a look at it. Of course, all are my original strategies, and many of them are learned from leading professionals. If Larry Wilson and Brian Tracy and Gary Jacobs is going to write their own management strategies and secure inside a gold cupboard or a locker in a bank, then that book will remain in that locker. It will not open up a person like me who is not an MBA, who's not a MBA from a basic business school, but I am also a MBA from all these books. So that is what made me to sit here today. What is the basic idea I share with you is definitely all my referral strategies will be there, but I never put that harmony within and harmony without in a company is Priya Mahesh strategy. It is from the Vital Difference from Gary Jacobs, or rather the Vital Corporation. I will put that. You take Brian Tracy, he speaks a lot on time management. I will never put it as Priya Mahesh strategy. I will definitely put it as Brian Tracy's strategy. That is called discipline in sales platforms. Hope the person who raised the question get answered directly or indirectly. Discipline is to maintain your originality. In case you are going to take that strategy, you are going to mention the name of the person who wrote or who introduced the strategy or the book into the market. That is called discipline in sales. Consistency in sales means whatever be the tide, you have to sail. That is called consistency. You cannot leave the sea just like that and land the shore. Once you start from this shore, you have to go through the tides in its own direction and reach the other side of the shore. That is what you mean in short by consistency. Connect with me tomorrow by local time 7:30 p.m. Indian time 9 p.m. to 9:10 p.m. and all other countries. Kindly fix yourself. This is from the sales school of Let's Sell Successfully. Priya Mahesh with you signing off. I am going to brand my Let's Sell Successfully sales school. If any salesperson should not be the comment, because we are the frontliners. We are corporate frontliners. We are proud to be called ourselves as corporate frontliners, because if we don't go into the market, the company director also cannot pick his salary cover. Definitely, this is an unfailing strategy. Everybody will accept it. So be confident, be disciplined, be original, be individualistic, be unique, but also be sharing, be as a team, give and take, complete the sales. And consistency is to please cross the shore. Even though n number of tides are going to make you, to push you down, you have, like I told the other day, in swimming, you dive in, then you dive out. So the maximum you dive under, you have maximum pressure. When you come out, you're going to blossom maximum. The opportunities will be maximum. Thank you for staying tuned with me. So 7:30 local time in the evening. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I turn like a KG student, right? So Sunday, the week starts in GCC, the work day. So Sunday till Thursday, please connect with me from 7:30 to 7:40 p.m. local time in Let's Sell Successfully Sales School, in Let's Sell Successfully Facebook page. As always, from this video, it gets posted in my YouTube channel, Let's Sell Successfully. Please subscribe maximum. Please view maximum all my videos. Kindly make maximum likes into my Facebook page so that I also grow and you also grow. Thank you so much. Team Complete Sales. Together everyone achieves more. Not only one person, all the person in the team. Thank you so much.